Nelson Mandela is a person that stopped race abuse in all the world. Nelson Mandela was a boy when existed the race abuse. So Nelson Mandela not like that. He wanted to stop. When he was exactly 30 years old, he went to the National Congress of Africa trying to combat all the injustice suffered by people of color. That is why they will teach it for life. When he was taken to Robert Island prison, where he spent 16 years in a tiny cell, after Robert Island, he was in two more prisons. In total, 27 years 27 years in your life locked up. It became a symbol of struggle because everyone asked for the for the for for they got him out of prison. Nelson Mandela, the rules, yeah,
All right, so he was taken out of prison, right?
yeah,
He
yeah.
was free.
Because
At the end, he's free.
yeah, because the person of all the world saying that he raped in Nelson Mandela. I don't remember good the word, but I say, what was it?
All right, Isabel. Very good story about the great Nelson Mandela. Thank
This
you.